Hello, thank you for watching the video. So I've got some belt squeal. It's very cold tonight, and left the house about a few minutes ago, a couple miles away now, and this belt squeal is, hear it? It'll stop. So I'm gonna go over here to Arby's, grab something to eat, try to find some light, show you what I'm gonna do. Now this is not going to probably be a permanent fix, but it will it'll last a few days, maybe a week, and I keep doing it, so it's kind of an indefinite fix. So I will park here. I'll be right back. Okay, here we are in the parking lot. I've got the Jeep turned off now. I've been using this CRC belt conditioner, and what's happening is when it gets really cold, just about every year, the belts start squealing like that. So not exactly sure of the physics, but as you know, when it's very cold, like right now it's 33 degrees. When it gets cold, you know, in the morning, a lot of times it'll do it when I first start it at nighttime. What's happening is the belt is drying out. As you probably know, you know, in wintertime your skin gets dry, everything gets drier. So the belt's getting dry, it's also cold, and it's not soft, it's harder, and so that's why I think it's slipping on the pulleys. Now I also noticed that when I spray this, it goes away, so you know, that tells me that it is the belt and it's not like a bad pulley. So something you want to consider as well. If it, you know, you put water on your belt and the belt is and there's still a squealing sound, then it's probably it could be a pulley. So that's just something I want to mention. So I'm going to start it up here again, and we're going to go to the engine bay. And what I'm going to do is, because I may not be able to talk, or maybe so loud, I'm going to spray this probably like a quarter of a can. It says do not spray so much that the belt cannot absorb it. It's very cold, so I'm not going to be spraying a whole lot. Probably spray like about, I don't know, probably like maybe not even a quarter, maybe just a little bit, just to get home really. And I've been going through this bottle, so it's lasting a while. So anyway, that's kind of the idea. So I'm going to go ahead and get back with you in just a second here. Here it's squealing. So here's the kind of stream I'm going to be getting. See that? Okay. And what I'm going to do is get some light. All right, see the power steering pulley here? Well, see right underneath there? I'm going to be spraying right there. I'm getting some wind blowing at me now. Try over here. All right, there we go. I'm getting some, yeah. All right. So I need a lot more than that, really. That's going to last tonight, 2 days probably. Pretty windy here. But yeah, if you can just constantly spray like right there, you know, like this directions say, you want to spray it till you pretty much absorb it, but you don't want to over-absorb it, and it should be good. So we're going to take a drive. We're going to continue driving, go home, and see. It's just still squealing. All right, pulling away here. I'm going to get on the main, or at a light anyway, and then we'll test it from there. So this can does come with a little spray straw. I lost that. That's going to help a whole lot. And I really didn't get as much as I would like on the belt, but I think we're going to be okay tonight. I want to come to a red light maybe, because that's our stop sign. That is where it kind of starts out again and starts squealing again. So now that I want to do that, I got a green light, which is pretty typical. So here's a red light up here. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and this CRC belt conditioner stuff's what I've been using, and it's been working pretty well, and it'll last a while. Until next time, have a nice day, take care. I don't think we're going to come up to any more red lights anytime soon, so I'm going to sign off. Okay, I'm almost to my destination. I've been driving about a couple more miles. Haven't really came to any red lights or stop signs. Here's another one. I never catch these, but I actually wanted to stop, see if the belt starts squealing. I guess we'll just stop here somewhere and let it restart, you know, kind of let it start idling and then start up again, see what happens. Yeah, we'll just pull in here real quick and see if it squeals. It hasn't been squealing. That's my steering wheel squealing right there, but yeah, that's my steering wheel. Yeah, this stuff does work in cold weather, and so it's weird. Somebody's right behind me. Nobody ever pulls in here. Okay. So anyway, yeah, no squealing. It's working fine. And that's a CRC belt conditioner. Tip, again, it said, is to spray until, you know, the belt is absorbed. Don't over-absorb. I think that's what it said. It said do not spray more than the belt will absorb, I believe. So anyway, read the instructions if you get this stuff. Will last a while, I think. It's been lasting me a while. Very happy with it, and just keep it in my Jeep here, in my cup holder, and yeah, when the cold weather subsides, I won't need it anymore. Other thing is, you know, check the tension of the belt and just tighten it up a little bit. But I don't want to do that. I don't think I need to do that. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.